Jiangsu CICEL Technology Development Company Limited was founded in 2014. It has an associated factory named Jiangsu CICEL Vacuum Technology Company Limited. CICEL is a mechanical engineering technology supplier dedicated to the R&D and manufacturing of PVD vacuum coating equipment and UV coating equipment, providing customers with comprehensive and reasonable coating solutions. For a long time, we have provided highly reliable vacuum coating technology solutions to customers in more than 50 countries around the world, with its excellent product innovation capabilities and complete after-sales service system. Vacuum coating technology finds applications across diverse industries, and CICEL focuses on serving customers in both decorative coating and functional coating industries. We always believe that only by matching customers' clear needs with the most suitable customized coating solutions can create significant value for them. CICEL's core focus is on pushing the boundaries of technology through research, development, and innovation. We use its advanced technical strength to conduct joint research and development with well-known domestic universities, jointly established multiple R&D laboratories, and has obtained multiple national patents in core technology fields. As an outstanding company in the field of PVD coating solution, Jiangsu CICEL Technology Development Company Limited will continue to be committed to the vacuum coating profession and is committed to providing customers with high reliability coating solutions.